Hello, welcome to Liquidity Alpha. Hey Justin, how are you doing?
Hey, what's up, Ankit? Pretty good, pretty good. Ready for another day of trading.
Yeah, we're gonna trade. What are we looking at today? We are looking at. I have to do my share screen though.
Yeah, yeah. I'm
Let's
looking at I guess I'm just taking a peek at Bitcoin on the 3 minute. Looking
podcast alert.
bullish. And
Could you see our screen? Like, is it broadcasting?
I see it on the
I don't even see the Liquidity Alpha Live.
oh, I see it. But I think you're hold on, let's see. Yep, there we go. Ooh.
Man, mine is slow for some reason.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, there you go. Finally, she popped up.
But
Oh yeah, I can see charts now, so it's good. Let's flip it to
ooh.
our the backpack exchange that we use. So let's see what. So it's good. Let's flip it to our. Oh yeah, cool. Okay, it's broadcasting perfectly today. Cool.
Easy. It gets easier every day.
All right, so yeah, what are we looking at today? We want to trade in and out 30 minutes, take profit, take loss, whatever happens in 30 minutes. Not no financial education purposes only. So what are we looking at?
Yeah, I was just looking at Bitcoin,
Bitcoin.
the 3 minutes in
Oh yeah,
just on the 1 minute. Looks like there's some action going on. But yeah, I figured after the keeping with like maybe just like one coin on one time frame might be helpful
yeah.
versus kind of like trying to move around. But yeah, I'm seeing like on the 3 minute we do have some bullish liquidity popping, and
Should we
even on
enter the trade?
yeah, I mean, why not, right? The I think that's reasonable because it looks like our next ceiling is at 105 on the dot right now
This one, right?
ish. Or yeah, thereabouts.
104 925 is so. There's $100 up to go if he crosses this resistance, right?
Right. Yeah. So, but yeah, I think as long as things are printing bullish, so might
Okay,
as well toss our
it's
hat in the ring.
all right. Your call.
Let's do
Let's
it.
do $100. I mean, this is again just a challenge we do here every day to talk about, price point from the lens of liquidity. So we need to go to futures again. Don't make that mistakes. Mistake. We go $100. You can go check out our content, and we are because Bitcoin is, you know, the moves are not very volatile. We are doing 5x. Typically, we do 3x margin, so that we see some action within the time frame we have, just 30 minutes.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, otherwise it might take a year to double this port.
Exactly. Cool. So that's okay. With $99.87. It's bloody hard to do exact 100. But long or short? What are we suggesting?
Long, and you're missing it.
Oh, I'm missing while I'm talking. Man, sorry. Okay, accepted. Cool. So open order is here. Oh, it's open.
There we
It's
go.
no, it's open. It's not filled.
Oh no. Oh no.
I'm sorry. Even
Is this the yeah, I mean give it, we're here for 30 minutes. We still got
oh, okay. It's
some
filled. It's filled now. Position. Okay, there you go.
sweet. All right. So yeah, the name of the game is so we do have that little
Oh,
I haven't
sorry. Look at that, guys. This is the mistake you make. I entered Solana.
no way. Well, okay. Well, we want to check out Solana. I mean, if
I
you already
can
entered
I
it.
can close it. Yeah.
Or we could hold on, let's just see what Solana's doing.
This is we were
I
talking
mean,
about it yesterday. I think on a session. It's so common to make this mistake,
yep.
especially if you're rushing.
Solana looks like it does look like it has a little bit of ceiling above, or I say if we're in Solana, I mean, are we in like in a size appropriate position in Solana?
I think we've done. We I was just saying about Bitcoin, and when I was clicking button, I ended up with Solana, obviously. But you can see this ROI. We've done 40 basis point or 0.4% gain so far ROI. So,
Yeah, just screw it. We'll stay on Solana. I'm
okay,
looking at it on the 3 minutes on. I put liquidity on like the balanced, and it's looking bullish. Yeah,
okay.
we got a little bit of ceiling here at like 146-ish, but
Yeah, this is a
uh,
perfect entertainment today.
right. It's classic. I mean, I've definitely done my oops, that was, try to buy a call but accidentally buy a put.
But yeah, yeah. I mean, I think we all have. Especially, I
But
think that has happened to me in the past when I was trying to FOMO in, um, like, hey, it's going up. I think I've got an opportunity to enter. Such a bad thing.
mm,
Such a bad thing.
yep, yep. All you can hope for is that somehow something, goes in your favor. You accidentally buy the wrong option, but ooh, volatility spikes. So okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're definitely just gonna be interested in as that price is like testing that support.
This one, right?
If it looks like it, yeah. If it starts looking like it's not gonna make it, then might be
Yeah,
we'll have
yeah.
to look at how much time we have and figure that out.
I'm
But yeah,
gonna.
it looks like
We need to keep an eye on Bitcoin also, I think, on 1 minute, because Solana will move its
mm,
move, but I think it's all, led by Bitcoin, really. Oh boy.
yeah. I still have I have the original chart I was looking at for Bitcoin up and it's still looking pretty bullish. So it
Mm,
looks like Bitcoin's working through a little bit of resistance and so is Solana. So
mm,
you can see,
I
yeah, we
see.
do have those little
So this is the liquidity resistance where we want to break through for
mm,
Solana. Bitcoin, I think this is acting as support.
yeah, I think it's doing that. It's like doing the dance, right? Like it moves above, and then the liquidity kind of tries to drag it a little bit, and it's like a give and take, a little bit of a dance as it
Mm-hmm.
moves through those levels. But what we don't want to see is that if, as it's moving through those levels, if the overall liquidity starts to turn bearish, then you start to get worried. But
Yeah.
for now, as long as things are being painted bullish,
Yeah.
that's all we can do.
Yeah. Okay.
But
So
yeah, I'm looking at Solana's still working through, and so
cool.
yeah, just keep an eye on and
Let's go back to Solana. Oh yeah. Okay. So we need to break through
uh,
this thing.
yeah. Well, you see that you can see with the little those faint lines
Yeah.
popping up like there's definitely some selling going on, some profit taking, and
Mm-hmm.
that's kind of the threat as we approach that resistance.
Mm-hmm.
And we just kind
Yeah.
of want it to be able to chew back through.
Okay. So we are looking at both Solana along with Bitcoin. Oh man, this is dropping, but it's still looking bullish.
Yeah. But if we don't think it's gonna, yeah, this is where it's like, if it's still bullish, it's bullish. So we just hold on to it. I think it's just working through the
It's
that resistance up,
look at that Bitcoin dropping. Solana is dropping.
yeah, and just testing that like,
Come on, stay above it.
you can do it.
What is the position looking like? Okay, 0.5%.
Hey, look at that. And if we want, we can exit it and we can, wait to see, we can exit it, wait 5 minutes, and then see how we're doing with the resistance and maybe either short and go re-long or
But just keep in mind,
um
this one was a mistake. We entered a 5x long on Solana, which we weren't wanting
mm,
to do. So yeah, I'm happy.
yeah.
Uh,
I mean, yeah, let's close it because we can see that there's resistance here at that level.
okay, you said it, I did it.
And then yeah, there we go.
I
And
did
then
it.
now let's just wait. Yeah, wait a few minutes and
Finish.
let's because if it doesn't, if it looks like that resistance is not gonna be
Okay.
overcomable, then yeah, we can just short it. But I mean, let's go look at
Okay, cool. The
Bitcoin now.
position is closed. Cool. Oh man, look at
Cool.
that. It's
Right. Right. Always right. It's like they wait. They're probably watching the stream. That's what it is.
I think market makers are watching this stream. They always do.
Mm.
Oh, the look at the support here.
Yeah, this is pretty nice. But I think that actually there was a nice little run we caught. We can see that we that nice run between the support down those yellow and orange lines, and we effectively, even if inadvertently or not, but we rode that whole kind of like wave up until the next point of resistance, and then just kind of did a risk assessment, figured now would be a good time to exit and sit back. And yeah, like if we start seeing it move through that resistance, but it really isn't, which is unfortunate.
There's a
So
sorry, it's support as well, not resistance. That was Savannah.
yeah, I probably keep making that.
Come on. I mean, we don't have position, so it doesn't really matter.
Mm. But yeah, but you see, like you can see that dance as it tries to work through. You can see those fainter lines, those like market makers, as you say, are
Yeah.
they're kind of moving up.
Oh, these ones, right? The
Right,
smaller guys, which are
right.
represented here in thinner lines, and they're pretty boring.
Yeah, yeah. Those are like the like I always kind of conceptualize them as like the rats on a ship. Like they're the first to leave when things
Right.
don't look good. So they're reaching up to the price, as they start selling, as they start kind of profit taking.
Yeah.
And so you start, definitely headwinds. Not the most bearish thing in the world, but definitely headwind.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, yeah. I was trying to see if I can show something, but yeah, clearly there is some on a 3 minutes. The price is staying within this mark of 104,981. Maybe on, let's see, 5 minutes or 10 minutes if there is some resistance sitting there.
That's a good idea.
Nothing.
No.
10 minutes. Bloody hell! I don't know. 10 minutes.
Look at
You
that.
can see. Okay, there is some resistance here.
Yeah. So yeah, so as you're moving up those times, we're just kind of like zooming out.
Yeah.
And yeah, we see as we zoom out eventually, we do see that it looks like on the 15-minute, Bitcoin is not only working through that resistance, but it's actually got bearish liquidity, which doesn't bode well for those lower time frames.
So what we need to decide if it's gonna break through this resistance to enter a new trade, or it's gonna drop below this, and this will act like a resistance, right? So 104
Mm,
980.
yeah, I think I would there is now, I think, reasonable doubt that it's not going to make it through it's not going to be a successful crossover with those resistances for the lower levels.
So what are you
Um,
suggesting? Should we go into Bitcoin and take a short position?
yeah, yeah, I know that's the question.
All right, you
So
have a
let's
look.
see if we.
I'm
I
happy to enter a trade. Uh,
think it might be reasonable. I mean, how much time? So how much time was that trade that we
uh,
did? How much time do we have for ourselves?
that was 8 minutes. We in and out. We have
Well,
done
okay.
13 minutes, so we have what 17 minutes left, right, for the stream.
Okay. Then yeah, I think that's reasonable. Because I'm looking at Bitcoin right now on the 3 minute with
Yeah.
I put liquidity back on aggressive. And it's
So I'm gonna sell. Yeah.
or how about this?
Yeah.
Or I mean we did do a position, right? So are we, I guess are we chasing something right now, or
Oh,
do
it's
we
just a fun,
see
right?
good opportunity? Right. True,
It's a,
but
if we see some good opportunity, we can get in with the aim to obviously get out within the 30 minutes time frame. So yeah.
right. So let's see. I mean, I'm not opposed. I'm not opposed. But like I guess it's that expression always comes to mind from that the trader that he said I never went to bed angry with a green on a green day.
That's true.
And I'm always like, it's not obviously it's not $1 million, but yeah, let's see. Oh no, I'm watching Bitcoin on the
Yeah,
three, and
we we don't have to take a
um,
trade. Yeah, that's
I wouldn't say I'm not opposed, but I definitely want to. I'm conservative, especially with scalping. But it does look, yeah, I think it's fair if we want to actually short Bitcoin on the three.
let's do it. Why not? Like it's oh
Yeah,
come on, we should
YOLO.
we no YOLO. Okay, it got filled. So we have open position here. So it got filled at 902, at 104 902.
Sweet. Yeah, so I'm looking at the three. It's got bearish liquidity. And we got those just supports kind of exactly where we came from, down at like 104, 690-ish.
Yeah,
Um,
I am.
and so I guess we'll just kind of either assume it's gonna
Look at
bounce down to there or like,
this one, right? This support should break through, I think.
yeah, I think so. I,
Come on.
yeah, 3 minute Bitcoin. And then what's the 1 minute looking like?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was drawing something. 1 minute. Let's see.
Oh no, you're fine, you're fine.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. 1 minute. We have some resistance above it here at 964.
Mm. So yeah, and then we got that support down there, what, 104,775?
104,774, 775. Yeah.
Not bad, not bad.
And plus,
So yeah, I
these
guess.
two smaller market makers, as I position them, are trying to push the price or trying to come up and start to support. But there is a sitting here support level, right?
Mm-mm.
804, 8814. Sorry, there is a support here. Um, so what we need it to go down here, somewhere here. When that happens, we are in positive.
Give it some
Let's see.
give it
Oh,
some encouragement.
14 cents profit, point
Oh yeah.
14 basis. Man, that's looking good.
It's not bad. It's not bad. Oh, I did get a little bear bullish flash on the 3 minute,
On 3 minutes? Yeah, let's have a look.
but
Oh
maybe,
no, this thing came and now it's acting as.
oh, it dipped below, right? Oh,
Come on,
hanging out with his friends. Don't do that. Don't be like that.
go down, please. Please.
Yeah, let's see, got it on the 1 minute.
Okay.
So, but
What?
yeah, the idea was that it makes it down to that support, and then we can just walk away happy campers.
This guy is coming and acting weird, trying to provide support. I don't think he's got too much of.
Yeah, he's a thin liner, so I don't know how much oomph he's gonna have
He's.
behind
I
that.
don't think he's got much oomph there. So I think. Boy, it's actually holding between these two candles. It's just a tiny. There's no movement in the price. Literally staying there.
Right? You,
Or
it's caught in those, it's got a bid right below it, an ask right above it. It's a little
typically
bit
you
of a.
typically you don't see that, like you have movements all the time. Oh, something is happening
Mhm.
on uh, backpack exchange, which is not. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, I thought it was moving, but maybe not. Look at that, another
Mm.
3 minutes, exact same price.
Ooh, ooh, I see maybe some moves. Yeah, it's taking its sweet time. The kind of just it's just fun to watch it move up to that resistance and just kind of get bought and swat it down.
Yeah,
But oh yeah, yours is showing. Try
3 minutes.
big or like try like Bitcoin from Coinbase.
This is Coinbase. Yeah,
Mm,
that was Coinbase. Maybe I'll go to Binance. Oh,
you can go down,
there's.
please.
Oh, there you go. It did do something now. So
Mm,
this is not
what?
Coinbase. This is Binance. This one I'm
Oh,
looking at.
okay.
Yeah,
What's our position at?
25 basis points so far. Not bad.
Ooh, not bad at all. Yeah, so it looks like I see on the 1 minute we're getting close to that support,
Yeah.
but that, I mean, the 3 minute that we've been watching still definitely has that movement down to like 104,698. It's kind of 200 points down, but
So we need
I'm just saying
693, 104,693
si- 104,693.
for 1%. Yeah, for
Oh
100.
yeah, that might be a little bit of a stretch in, in 30 minutes, but I mean, it's still chewing through. We do, a little caution because looks like on the 1 minute we're approaching that resistance.
Oh, we are. This is 1 minute.
I,
Binance is different than
the,
Coinbase, I guess.
yeah, I think there might be a little differences, unfortunately.
That's
with
fine.
the yeah, but it's just turbulence might be expected. Oh no, there we go. Turbulence in our favor, it seems.
What is the time? We've done 20 minutes. Okay, that's not a problem.
No problem at all. So yeah, it looks like cool. Honestly, this was such a cool. This is a double, right? Like we went up then down.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
A scalper's dream, scalper's delight.
Scalpers. I mean, we're showing people how to trade, right? Like how to be careful and obviously have fun while doing this. It's stressful to trade,
Mm,
uh, but
yes,
but look at that.
but yeah, I say we honestly, I'm gonna say it. I think with our time budget, I think we exit. I'm concerned that this moving past that, like as it approaches that support, it'll get like a fun little bounce,
This one,
and then
772. Yeah.
right, yeah. So it's like as much as I want it, and I'm confident it's gonna make its way down again. With that, if we only have like 5 minutes left, and touches that support and just gets like a nice injection of
No.
bullish liquidity, and oh, look at that. I
And
mean, but yeah, I would start, honestly, I would probably start gearing up to exit the position because we're nearing that support and we're already decently up.
well, it's here. Uh,
Yeah, let's do it.
690, 693 is our exit point. Are we close? No, not really. But it's fine.
What would be I mean, we would still have netted like 1% on the day, I suppose.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So somewhere here we
Yeah,
need to exit.
yeah, it's drilling. I just feel like if it gets close, if it starts touching that support and it gets a really nice bid injection, that we're gonna see a big candle back up to that resistance, and then not have the time to kind of like hang out and get the profits. So
Yeah.
my vote is for exiting.
Now?
Yes.
Justin, come on.
Listen, it's 30 minutes. It's not how much
Look,
profit do I think I'm going to be able to get. It's how much profit can I get today,
look
right
at that.
now.
Look at that. Look at that. It's
I mean,
dropping.
this is a nice scalp for sure. But again, like we're getting close to those supports, and it's just you never know how those market makers that are sitting there might be sitting
Okay.
on a decent amount of.
Let's close it. Let's close it. Let's not be greedy.
I think
Cool.
so. I think that's where I'm going.
Okay, I've closed the
And
position. It filled.
look at that. I never went to bed with a green day, but we have a very nice green day today.
All right, so we did two trades. So it was 45 cents and 79. So what does it come down to? 45 plus 79.
It's
So it's
44 plus 80, 124.
124. Yes, dollar 24. That's our day for today, right?
Yo,
18.
that's our yeah. I think that's our new record.
It,
Our first was 121.
well,
So
I think we are now in positive. So we were dollar negative yesterday, and then day before, 4 days ago, we were 60 cents negative. So dollar
oh, for sure.
60 is the number down by. So
Yeah, because I mean we're definitely what is that?
we up, yeah.
80 plus 44, 124 plus 121 is 145, 245. So yeah, no, we're
245
cooking.
minus 160, right? So we are up
Yes, maybe.
85 cents.
Okay, that's 85 more cents than we had, and that includes all the fees. That's actually
That
pretty
includes all the
enjoyable.
fee. Yeah. So that's one, two. How many streams we have done? Let's have a look. Because I think we had streams where we had to close the trade because of the tech issues.
True. Oh, true. Actually,
So I think it's our third. Uh, oh, is it even still going live? I'm not even seeing it on my. Oh, it's
I see it.
okay. So it's our fourth stream for live trading. One, two, three, four. Yeah.
TT4. So
Cool.
hold on, what's that? Yeah, what's that? We got 121. Actually, I was just gonna do like a average percentage per stream, but it's
Look at
positive, and that's what
that.
I'm
Look at
happy
that.
about.
It broke through. Come
Oh, we
on.
did break through.
Come on, Justin. This is FOMO. We didn't do it.
Hey, if you go to bed happy with a green day, I don't know. We
Right.
gotta talk.
All right, I think we had a good run today, and I'm happy we don't have to drag the stream for 30 minutes to close a position. I think as per the
Right,
rules
right.
of the game, we do 1% take home or 30 minutes, whatever happens first. In this case, 1% happened 1.21, 1.24 to be precise.
Yep. 1.24.
So we can end this stream, and we'll come together tomorrow to see where which trade to open, and look at the liquidity levels from there.
Yep, perfect.
Awesome.
Honestly, yeah, good day. Thank you, Ankit.
Thank
Thank you.
you.